Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right. Learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Today's lesson is the holy grail of English learning.
Yes, today we answer the biggest question. How do I think in English?
This is the dream, to stop translating in your head.
Exactly. Many students have a problem. They hear English,
Then they translate it to their native language.
then they think of the answer in their native language,
Then they translate the answer back to English.
and then finally, they speak.
I am tired just listening to that.
It is exhausting, and it is too slow.
It's like having a slow internet connection in your brain. Buffering.
Exactly, the loading wheel of death.
But today, we will show you how to cut the wire.
We will teach you how to switch your brain directly to English mode.
Is it magic? Do I need a microchip in my brain?
No magic, just simple habits and exercises.
And we have examples for every level. Level 1, words.
Level 2, sentences.
Level 3, conversation.
So even if you are a beginner, you can start today.
Plus, we have a very funny story about Leo's inner voice.
Oh no, when my inner voice became my outer voice.
In the elevator, it was so awkward.
We will tell that story later.
So, why is thinking in English important?
Speed. You speak faster.
Naturalness. You sound more like a native speaker.
And confidence. You stop doubting yourself.
Leo, do you think in English now?
Most of the time. But when I'm hungry, I think in pizza language.
Pizza is a universal language.
True. But seriously, it took me time to learn this skill.
It is a skill. It's like a muscle. You have to train it.
So, are you ready to turn on the English switch in your brain?
Let's start with level 1.
Okay, level 1, naming objects.
This is for beginners. You don't need grammar here.
Look around your room right now. What do you see?
Don't say the word in your language. Say it in English immediately.
Let's play a game. I point, you say the word, fast.
I'm ready.
This,
Microphone.
this,
Table.
this,
Hand.
this.
Ceiling.
That feeling when you want coffee?
Thirsty.
Good, you didn't translate.
No, I just looked and said the word.
That is the key. Connect the image to the English word.
Do not go image to native word to English word. That is a triangle.
Go straight line. Image to English word.
A great tip for this is the post-it note method.
Oh, I love this.
Put sticky notes on everything in your house.
Put a note that says mirror on your mirror.
Fridge on your fridge. Door on your door.
Every time you look at it, your brain reads the English word.
It forces your brain to associate the object with the English word.
Do this for 1 week. Your house will look crazy, but you will learn.
My guest thought I lost my memory. Why does your cat have a label saying cat?
Did you really label the cat?
I tried. He didn't like it.
Okay, don't label pets, but label furniture.
Now, level 2. Simple sentences.
Once you know the words, start thinking in short phrases.
Narrate your actions. Become the narrator of your life.
Like a documentary about you.
Exactly. Keep it simple. Subject plus verb plus object.
I open the door. I put on my shoes. I walk to the bus.
Do this in your head while you are doing it.
It's called mindfulness in English.
Oh, very deep.
It is. Instead of thinking about your problems, think about your actions in English.
Let's practice. I will do an action, you narrate it.
Okay. I will drink my coffee.
Lila is drinking coffee.
I type on my computer.
She is typing.
I look at my watch and I'm late.
She is late. See? Very easy.
If you don't know a word, stop, look it up on your phone, then continue. This builds your vocabulary for your daily life.
Because you only need words for your life. You don't need to know the word for spaceship if you are not an astronaut.
But you need the word for spoon if you eat soup.
Exactly.
Now we move to level 3, functional thinking.
This is where you plan your day in English. Do this every morning before you get out of bed.
Don't just think, I need coffee. Think, okay, first I will brush my teeth. Then I will make breakfast, maybe toast and eggs.
Then I have to catch the bus at 8:30. I hope the bus is not late today.
Let's roleplay Leo's morning brain. Yawn. Okay, wake up, Leo. It is 7 a.m.
Good start.
I am tired. I want to sleep more. No. I must get up.
Keep going.
Where are my glasses? On the table. Okay. Today is Tuesday. I have a meeting with Lila.
Don't forget our meeting.
I need to wear a nice shirt. Where is my blue shirt? Is it clean? I hope so.
Perfect. This is natural thinking.
It feels weird at first, but after 2 minutes, it flows.
And if you get stuck, just skip the hard thought. Keep it simple.
Now, level 4, emotional reactions.
This is advanced. When something happens, react in English.
If you stub your toe, ow!
What do you say?
In my language, I say a bad word.
Try to say an English bad word, or just ouch, or oh my God.
Or, are you kidding me?
Yes. Surprised? Say, wow, no way.
Confused? Say, what the heck?
Happy? Say, yay, awesome.
If you train your instant reactions, your brain switches faster.
Imagine you see a cute dog.
Don't think in your language, que lindo. Think, oh, so cute.
Imagine you drop your phone.
Oh no, shoot.
Shoot is a polite way to say a bad word.
Yes, very useful for beginners.
Changing your reactions changes your mindset.
You start to feel in English.
And that is when fluency happens.
Okay, now it's time for the funny story.
The elevator incident.
Tell us, Leo, what happened?
Okay, so I was practicing narrating my day in English.
Good student.
I was walking into my office building. I was thinking, I am opening the door. I am pressing the button.
Very good.
Then I got into the elevator. It was crowded, very quiet.
Awkward elevator silence.
Yes, and the man walked in. He was wearing a very interesting hat.
What kind of hat?
A bright green cowboy hat in the middle of the city.
Okay,
So my brain started working in English. That is a big hat. That is a green hat.
still thinking silently?
I thought I was thinking silently, but I was so focused on English,
Oh no.
I accidentally whispered it.
Let's act it out. I am the man in the green hat, standing silently, looking serious.
I stared at Lila's imaginary hat and whispered, "Why is he wearing that? It looks like a broccoli."
Excuse me?
I panicked.
Oh, did I say that out loud? You think my hat looks like a broccoli?
No, I said, broccoli is healthy. I love broccoli.
You are weird. steps away.
It was horrifying. The elevator ride took forever.
It looks like a broccoli?
I couldn't stop. My English brain was too honest.
Oh, Leo, that is the danger of thinking in English.
Be careful. Keep your inner voice inside.
But hey, at least your English sentence was grammatically correct.
It was. It looks like a broccoli. Perfect grammar.
That's the spirit.
But seriously, talking to yourself is great. Just check your volume.
We call this self-talk.
You can do it in the shower,
In the car,
while doing dishes.
have a debate. Should I buy this phone? Yes, it is nice. No, it is expensive.
But I deserve it. No, save money.
Be two people in your head.
Just don't fight with yourself too loud. People will call the police.
True.
Okay, let's wrap up with some final super tips.
Tip number 1, change your phone language.
Oh, this is essential. Go to settings right now.
Change it to English.
You look at your phone 100 times a day.
Every time you see settings, messages, loading, you are thinking in English.
It forces your brain to adapt.
At first, you will get lost. Where is the flashlight?
Yes, but you will learn fast.
Tip number 2, the English hour.
Choose 1 hour a day. For example, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m.
In this hour, you are not allowed to think, speak, or listen in your native language.
Only English. Watch English TV. Listen to English music. Talk to your dog in English.
If your family thinks you are crazy, tell them it's Leo and Layla's fault.
Yes, blame us.
Tip number 3, don't aim for perfection.
This is important. Your inner thoughts don't need perfect grammar.
Native speakers don't think in perfect sentences.
We think in fragments. Hungry. Bus late. Coffee need.
So start there. Don't stress about, am I using the present perfect continuous?
Just think words. Flow is more important than rules here.
Let's review our plan.
Okay, level 1. Label objects. The post-it method.
Level 2, narrate your actions. I am walking. I am sitting.
Level 3. Plan your day. First coffee, then work.
Level 4, react in English. Ouch. Wow. Oops.
And finally, avoid the broccoli incident.
Keep your thoughts inside.
Now, viewers, your homework.
Choose one object in your room right now.
Write a sentence about it in the comments.
For example, the lamp is bright, or the cat is sleeping.
Don't translate. Look and write.
And tell us, do you have an inner voice in English?
Or is it still loading? Buffering?
We hope it is faster now.
Also, if you liked this video, please smash that like button.
It helps us so much.
And subscribe to Leo and Layla.
We make new videos every day.
Start thinking.
Start speaking.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Broccoli hat.
Stop it.
Bye.